Countervailing duty. In this video, we are going to learn about what is countervailing duty and when it can be imposed, WTO provisions on countervailing duty, and who is the authority in India which imposes the countervailing duty. What is countervailing duty? It is an action taken by importing country, usually in the form of increased duties, to offset subsidies given to producers or exporters in the exporting country. Let me explain this. If any country subsidize the products and increase the export, then the importing country can offset the advantage by imposing countervailing duty. If Chinese governments provide subsidy to a company, a firm, or group of companies and export a product to India, it may cause injury to a domestic country. In that case, Indian government react to offset the subsidies by imposing countervailing duty. World Trade Organization provides rules for the use of government subsidies and for the application of remedies to address subsidized trade that has harmful commercial effects. This provision is given under Agreement on Subsidies and Countervailing Measures, which is contained in the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. WTO also given the definition for the subsidies. A subsidy is defined by WTO as a financial contribution by a government which provides a benefit. The subsidies in the form of grant, loan guarantee, tax credits and purchase of goods or the provision of the goods or service by the government. Under the agreement, it is also said that the countervailing duty can be imposed only on specific subsidies. In case if the government provides uniform subsidies across the company, in that case countervailing duty cannot be imposed. A specific subsidy is one that is only given to one company or to a specific group of companies. The affected country can approach WTO's dispute settlement procedures to seek withdrawal of duty or impose countervailing duties and subsidized import to protect the domestic producers. Who is the designated authority in India which imposes the countervailing duty? Countervailing duty is being recommended by Directorate General of Trade Remedies under the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, and the final call is taken by Ministry of Finance. Thank you.